Hey everybody, I'm Jay.
I'm Lisa.
With Our Simple Adventures. Welcome. We're still at Quartzsite. We are at the RV and sports show here, and we're going to tour an RV or two because we might be in the market. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happy.
Okay, here we go. Here's our dream coach right here. Look at this baby. The Executive. Apparently it's an 87. Let's take a look. Oh, pretty long. Oh, got the power stairs coming out. Right down on the ground.
Y'all want the Executive?
We're just, no, well, I'm just looking at it. I'm filming it right now. Is
Oh yeah.
that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you maybe interested in getting one, or you just want
yeah,
put some on camera?
Putting some on camera, and
Okay.
I mean we're always in the market, but not seriously today.
All right. Yeah. Feel free to film it.
Okay, yeah, thanks. What are you asking for it?
I thought you were just filming it.
I'm still filming. Now I'm filming you.
Okay.
What do
Let me
you
get to the price for you.
Okay.
Let's see here. 37-foot Executive and an 87 model. $49.9 or make offer, it says.
Make offer. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I was just interested in looking at it, so
Yeah.
appreciate you.
Feel free.
Okay. Wow, this is in good shape for an 87.
Yeah, but it would need a major overhaul.
Look at this old bird. Did you see how long it was anywhere?
No, I didn't.
No slides to have to worry about. Where's the TV? Apparently this is the TV here. Well, that would have to be fixed.
Oh, no? Don't see a TV.
Door right here. And see, this will figure out what all these buttons are. Of course, that windshield washer, jacks, stand, retracted, automatic leveling from 87. Wow, but this was a expensive one.
That's their TV right there.
Must be, yeah. What's this? Transmission. Drive reverse.
Oh, gotta tell Richie. Got a CB for him.
Oh, that's for Richie. There's a CB. Hi, Richie. This is interesting. I'll squeeze past you here.
You go back and there's
Is
a
this
sink in the bathroom.
Is that all there is for the fridge?
That is actually an ice maker.
An ice maker. That's it.
Oh, the stairs are going back in because the door closed.
Okay, let's buy it. It's got an ice maker.
I don't know if they added it or
Microwave.
what.
Everything for the fridge. How to open it. Table.
There it goes. Oh, that looks kind of beaten up in there.
These closet doors. They don't open. Kind of tight coming back here. Bathroom. This is in really pretty decent shape. Look at all the oak. Get your little sink there. Oh, here's a little tiny TV right here too.
Yeah. A lot of drawer space under the bed.
You don't need a TV when you're camping, but when you're living in it, yeah, it's nice to have a TV. Watch our movies.
Interesting with that little sink here too.
Our YouTubers. Watch our
all the
YouTubers. What's
drawers,
that?
Drawers down there.
Got here. Alarm. Oh, just a clock on the wall. Lots of closet space. Whoa. Yeah, lots of kind of dark, but Big closet.
Someone wanted to put some money into it and rehaul it.
Yeah. So okay, let's go see find a newer one to look at. This one. Oh. Hey, let's go see what's in here. This is a 32 RW Invicta by Holiday Rambler. Let's go.
On its own?
The door opened on its own?
Yeah.
Okay. What we got here. Alright, that's at least they got the comfortable
With the TV
comfort
across.
seating
Yeah.
across from the TV. We see so many where the TV be up there or back there.
Or if they have a full window, they put the TV hanging in front of the window. So they
Yeah.
got smart and made a short window. Chair swivel because there's a table table that goes there.
Yep, okay. Chair swivel. Look at how less complicated this dash is compared to that the executive.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, here's the sticker. Suggested retail $197 $450. I don't mind the decor in here, the colors.
Not bad backsplash. And like the fridge, nice big fridge. Oh, here's the bathroom.
You can check for the prime pooping position?
No, but it is porcelain.
I'm going to check for the prime pooping position.
It looks big enough, you can tell.
Need some elbow room sometimes. Porcelain. I'm going to give it Matt's prime pooping position for Matt's RV reviews. Tell him I sent you. Check out the bedroom. The closet.
Pantry.
Kind of a shallow pantry.
That's good.
It's okay. Looks like king size bed. This, okay, here's a short slide here. This whole wall is a slide, which it's not it's a shallow slide. It looks like.
We have a
Washer and dryer.
washer dryer. Looks like a televator too.
Yeah, this would be the TV. TV comes up. Got an electric fireplace here. Those are nice. Those are nice. Save on propane if you're plugged in. Or if you got your generator running, you can save on propane and run that. They kick out a lot of heat. Barn doors.
No, just sliding door. It's not a barn door.
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah.
Lots of storage.
Yeah, okay. Well, let's maybe take a look at one more. Okay, what's this one? Okay, 36 foot. Georgetown by Forest River. Is it locked? Apparently it's sold, but we're gonna take a look anyway. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh. Yeah, I don't mind the colors in here.
Yeah, kind of dark, but not bad.
And the shades down there. Again, see the dash and controls. I'm guessing most everything is run by this.
Nice kitchen, not bad. Got a nice, good, big oven.
TV is properly placed across from the. I guess these are recliners. Yeah, the recliners.
They are recliners. Or at least they have the full up.
Full residential size fridge. That's a good
It's an
size
ice
fridge.
maker. That's
Wow.
crazy.
Yeah, nice water and ice. Is that a convection oven?
No, just a microwave. And it's got a nice size oven down here. So.
Sorry, no lights. Bunkhouse. We do not need a bunkhouse. Got a little
Each
TV
have their
in
own
there.
little TV.
And a bathroom here. I can tell that's a prime pooping position right there already. Shower. And the bed. Yeah, it is really dark. And then you have another. Did that have a shower too?
Yeah.
Why? Well, I guess if you got kids, you know, somebody sleep in the bunkhouse. But otherwise, a lot of wasted space with 2 bathrooms. There's these controls there. Okay. Yep. Your for battery tanks. So. Yeah, this one's sold already though. Maybe we can find another one. Should we go check out a fifth wheel?
Do that.
Check out this fifth wheel here.
How we doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Okay if I film?
Yeah,
Alrighty.
absolutely. Feel
Yeah.
free to ask me any questions.
Okay. I don't think we've never seen this floor plan, have we?
No, I haven't.
Rear kitchen. Interesting.
Kitchen in the back. There's a lot of room.
Watch this. 131,733.
Well, it's a full-size kitchen. A residential oven and 4 burner gas.
You want to talk about it quick?
Yeah, absolutely.
Just a few minutes.
Mm-hmm.
This is Kai.
This is Kai. How we doing?
Pretty
you guys
good.
currently own?
It's well,
Oh, my bad.
yeah, yeah.
So a little bit about Alliance. We started in 2019. We didn't build our first. More breeze that way.
Yeah. Like all the windows.
Yeah.
How big's that TV?
That one is 50 inches,
Yeah.
I believe.
Yeah, maybe 60. Yeah, we're gonna take a peek up here.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Oh,
Yep.
my bad. Absolutely.
Had a brochure to the other 2 models down here.
No carpet
Ballard,
zone.
we do not, unfortunately. Yeah.
Nice
Those will be
bathroom.
online.
Huge shower.
We ran out. Unfortunately, the other rep, he's going to be here.
Wow, we could both fit in that shower.
No kidding.
He should bring it. We have some
Now, this is a barn door.
Absolutely. Yeah, you're welcome.
It's got a nice feel in here, and the whole rig,
Well, it's definitely a farm looking. It's a little bit lighter looking.
and all the windows.
Yeah, a lot of windows.
Big closet.
Space.
Wow, that's. Wondering if you could possibly put a washer and dryer in there. Hidden storage.
Are there hookups in here for washer dryer?
No.
Oh yeah, so it sure is.
Oh, there is?
There's there's a hookup right there for a washer and then center line for dryer vent. So
Oh, yeah, cool.
yeah.
Yeah, that's it. It's always an option.
Yep.
Oh, here's a barn door.
It's yeah. Lights are on dimmers. Nice. I like the floor plan, but the
Yeah, I
fact
do
that you
too.
can't get to the kitchen when it's all closed up.
Here's all your controls. I'm glad they did put a window back there. Yeah, we like to be able to access everything if we have to park at a rest area or something. You know.
This is lot of seating for 2 people. I wish they would have taken like that section and make it into a desk or something like that.
Yeah.
Take one area, make it into a desk.
Yep. Yep.
Or put a desk somewhere. I don't think for 2 people you'd need 3 sofas.
Right. Yeah, it's not a bunkhouse.
Yeah.
I suppose you'll come out into a bed, a
Yeah, I'm sure you make it into bed.
jackknife or whatever.
Still, you can keep one for a bed, change one.
Love the windows.
Yeah.
Okay,
Very
let's-
lots of windows.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna wrap this one up here. It's always fun to tour RVs. You got to have that right floor plan. Know what kind of floor plan you want. So we will. Yeah, the floor plan we're looking for. We're actually looking for probably a Class C or a short Class A, but we like to be comfortable in the evenings. We want those the recliners or comfortable couch across from the TV. So that's imperative right there. And we like a lot of windows. So anyway, God bless you guys. Love each and every one of you. We will, possibly see you from the Colorado River next.
Come along with us.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.